11, 10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engines running. We have a liftoff. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
In the vast cosmos, a single voice arises, followed by another and another until a myriad of harmonies echo across the void. These aren't just sounds, they are dreams, rooted in compassion and purpose. For many of us, the dream of becoming a doctor began with wonder, an innocent gaze turned skyward. But reality brought dark nights, adversity, and uncertainty. Still, something calls to us, the music of the cosmos. Nagdunggan ba nimo ang tuyog sa langit ug mga bituon nga mag-alagad, mag-alayon alang sa atong kaugmaon? Soft yet unrelenting, it sings of service, unity, and hope. It reminds us we are not alone, and that with every step, we draw closer to who we are meant to be, healers and servants of the people. Hand in hand, we reach for something greater. With heart, passion, and purpose, the UP College of Medicine Class of 2029 proudly presents Kaugmaon.
Bata pa, ay sinasabi ko kay mama.